Hello, I got one interesting task like this. A and B are natural. How are we going to solve it? Well, first let's remember what is this GCP and LCM. Greatest common divisor and last common multiplier. Greatest common divisor is the biggest number which A is divisible by and B is divisible by. Last common multiplier is the smallest number which is divisible by A and B. For example, like this. So let's remember one interesting rule: eta and beta over JCP equals LCM. We can make it like this, yes, where Z is GCP. But how can we prove it? Very easy. You can see it, right? Z times X times Z times Y over Z equals Z times X times Y. Y is indivisible by Z, X is indivisible by Z because Z is GCP. We told it, right? Yes, almost forgot. X is indivisible by Y is indivisible by X is not divisible by Z, Y is indivisible by Z, and against. So now we rewrote the sum, right? Yes, we rewrote the sum. Let's do it second time. Seems much more better. Common denominator is great, but we are going to get something like this. How are we going to get it? Very easy, like this. You multiply this side times 2 and this side times zxy. Sum change it and get x on the one side. Here we're going to get like this, and then we got our equation. Now we got x through y and z. So easily, this side is always positive. Our numerator is always positive because y is positive. Y is positive 2, but z minus 2 can be negative. When z equals 1, equals 1. When this equals 2, this y times 0 minus 2, it is negative, and x will be negative, but x is to be a positive number, bigger or equal to 1. It means z is bigger than 2. Also now, x is more equal to 1, right? And we got 4 over z minus 4 is bigger or equal to y. But never forget about this is not equation. It means if we divided something, we have to divide it without negative number. It means if z is positive, we are right. But what if z is negative? I'm sorry, not negative. Z minus 4 is positive. It means z is larger than 4. You can divide it. If z is equal to nothing, we will just watch it like another case. If z is less than 4, what will we get? You will get then 4 over this thing is less than 1. But because it's before, we have nothing with this line, right? But here, if z equals to 8, y will be equal to 1. If it is more than 8, for example 9, it will be more than 1 denominator. 4 over 5, it is less than 1. It means y cannot be integer. Also, we got z is no bigger than 8. It means we have to check all the z values from 3 up to 8. Okay, what are we getting? If z equals 3, s equals this thing. You can just imagine it, yes? If y is more than 8, our x will not be integer. That's how I got all the y values. It does not mean y is to be equal 4. It means y can be equal 4, and all the rest. But if it can be, is it to be? Maybe it is not equal 3. Let's check it by setting y all these letters. I will do it. What have I got? I got this thing. All the y values possible and all the x when they are both integer. Okay, let's now remember x and y times z equals a and b. Also, remember, this is all the solutions for the task. There are no more solutions than all this, right? But a and 3 is the same thing as 3 and 8. That's why let's forget about them. We got something like this, and this is all the solutions. Yes, we got all the possible solutions of this equation. If a and b are natural, if they can be less than 0, for example, equals to -1 and the same thing, it will not be. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, set like if you like this video, of course. Type any commentary. For example, I got this. Write a solution. Or if you found a mistake, note me. Right, you found it and I made it. Maybe you will find mistake. Also have a good day. So mathematics is very interesting. And goodbye.